Have you ever met someone who is super smart, great career, sharp brain, amazing at solving problems, but their money management is chaos? And then there's one person who is not financially obsessed, but somehow they're always calm, always have saving, and never panic. What's going on here? The paradox is the smart, the paradox. Smart people don't struggle with money because they don't know. This smart people are in the situation where confusion is solution का कुछ पता नहीं. Welcome to Prosperity Circle. Here we build wealth by thinking better and not chasing harder. And today I'm going to share with you why smart people struggle. They struggle because they overthink, they overtrust their brain, and underbuild their system. And I am here to turn all this confusion into simple system today. So let's first dissect why smart people don't struggle because they don't. Smart people confuse their knowledge with their behavior. Smart people overthink. They overtrust their brain, their underbuilt system. Money improves from system and not IQ. For smart people, they have a lot of knowledge, but they confuse the knowledge with behavior. Smart people love learning. They read books, they watch videos, they save posts, they take notes. But money improves from doing and not from knowing. So smart people collect information like Pokemon cards, ETF got it, Kager got it, asset allocation, I get it. But saving rate is missing. Some people have master degree in finance content and a PhD in impulsive spending. This does not build your financial future. Reason to over optimization. Smart people love the best plan, so they keep searching. Best mutual fund, best stock, best strategy, best time to invest, best apps. And while they search, time passes. Money rewards consistency, not perfection. The market does not pay you for being almost ready. Smart people treat investing like marriage. Let me think for 3 years. Meanwhile, compounding is like, bro, I'm waiting. Reason three why smart people struggle. Ego hate. Smart people hate small starts. Smart people don't like starting small because it feels too basic. They want big plan. So they skip boring basics like tracking, emergency fund, insurance, automation. The wealth is built by boring basics. Right delays progress. Right delays progress. Now, reason four why smart people struggle in building money habit because smart people have higher lifestyle pressure. Smart people often have higher peer pressure, a lifestyle upgrade, higher spending. I should have a better phone. I should live in better area. I should travel more. I should look successful. These are all a peer pressure that smart people have built for themselves. So income goes up, so does spending. That's why you'll see high earner with low savings. And that is why highly educated high earner, they struggle with money behavior. Some people earn like CEOs and they save like interns. Reason 5. Too much willpower, too little system. Smart people think I can handle it. I will control spending mentally. I can manage everything in my head, but the willpower breaks. Willpower is very weak. Willpower breaks when you are tired, stressed, and there's late night scrolling. Willpower is weak at 11 p.m. when you are tired and Zomato is showing discount. Smart people needs system more than motivation because system works even when your brain is tired. Let me tell you the real revelation. Money is not math problem. It's environment and identity problem. Your brain is a CEO and not an accountant. The simple way to see it, your brain as a CEO is creative, it makes decision, but it's not meant to track your subscription or your delivery charges or your convenience fee. So when smart people try to do money management in their head, they fail. Not because they are dumb, because it's a wrong tool. You're using the system like an accountant. If your brain was good at tracking expenses, you won't forget why did you open the fridge. So let me present five ways you can fix this system and you can become financially stable. System one, pay yourself first. Automate on your salary day. Put 10% of your saving or investment to start with. Even to start with, you can do with 5% of your saving. Don't save what's left. Invest first and spend later. System two, create three buckets: fixed, future, and fun. Fixed bucket is for rent, bills, and EMI. Future bucket is for emergency and investment. Fun bucket is for your guilt-free spending. But the rule is the fun cannot eat into your future. Have this three bucket structure and experience the joy. System three, one leak rule. Pick one leak. Food delivery, online shopping, subscription, cat. What's one leak that is eating into your saving? Cut by 30% and redirect that money to your financial freedom fund. System 4, go on a monthly date. 15 minutes monthly date to track your top three categories, to check subscription, to check SIP, and to take one action. Not daily, not random, but it's a scheduled 15 minutes monthly date. System 5 is if then rule. If I feel like impulse buying, then I pause for 24 hours. If income increases, then SIP also increases. If market fall, then I don't stop SIP. Rule beats more. Continue your investing journey. Smart people, smart people struggle because they rely on their intelligence instead of system. What is needed is a scorecard for you to measure. And I'm going to present 5 questions that you need to measure. Questions are: did I auto save this month? Did I avoid new debt? Did I cut one leak? Did I review once? Did I stay consistent? If your answer is yes, you are winning. And that's what you need. You need a system. Your money story improves when you stop overthinking and start system. बस पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. You are going to start your money journey now. Let me know in comment section below which one is your biggest issue. Is it overspending, inconsistency, lifestyle inflation, no tracking, or overthinking? If you know your loved ones who are smart and still struggling with money, do share this video with them. They would love to hear it. Let me know in comment section below which method have you implemented from this video and how it is making you feel in your money journey. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be back again with a lot more content. Keep following, keep learning, and keep growing.